Hey, what's up guys? So in this video we will see how to restart your Samsung Galaxy A26. Now to do that, just press and hold the power button at the right side of your smartphone. Just like that. Now from here, just tap on restart and tap on restart. Now just wait for a few seconds for your smartphone to restart. Just like that. And this is how you can restart your Samsung Galaxy A26. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.